then you're going to scroll down to settings and click there. Are we good?
Yep.
Okay. So here we are going to go over to the right-hand side. There's a bunch of links of cool things that we can do. We want to export course content.
Okay.
I've done this a few times now. And we want the whole course. And you're going to click Create Export. And it will be available for 30 days after you're done as well. So, after you do this. So if you don't want to actually download it to your computer, but you just have it ready, so that way when you go back to, like, physically on campus and download it to there, that's fine. It's going to be a really weird format, because it is a Canvas format, so you are saving it, and then really it is just so that way at some point you could make a like shell course or a new one, and you can import that, and it will just bring up everything that you've done. So it's not like a PDF, you can view everything and that sort of thing. It's a Canvas export. So here my stuff has been exported. So a lot of people have had to refresh a few times to actually to see it. Where is it? I lost it. And so here it is. So I have my export from 1 minute ago, and I can click on that and download it to my computer.
So it says new export. Do I click on that?
Yes, that's your export file that you can save, and then keep it wherever.
And then Malcolm, if
Charity's walking us through it right now.
Malcolm, if I make another class in Canvas that's my own Shoopadoo, and can I just copy everything onto that, and that's like my...
So that's what I'm going to do next.
Okay.
So if I want to make a backup, I can go... Sorry. Are you guys good to be able to go back and do the next, like, making a backup course?
I just don't know, now that I did the export, where do I go to access that? Where did it go?
So you can click the link.
Uh-huh.
And it will download it to your downloads.
Okay.
So if I click course export from 2 minutes ago, like, I can download it and it will save it.
Okay.
So the next thing is I can click on dashboard, and I'm going to make a backup course for a master kind of backup in Canvas. They just said don't trust Canvas to house things because somehow they're like moving some of our things around.
Oh,
so just
gosh.
make sure.
Okay.
So you want to have the exports, and you want to have both.
Okay.
It's kind of nice. I like having it anyway, so that way I can actually see it here and not have to.
Yeah.
Have that. So that file that you just exported is your like backup.
Okay.
So then, is everyone to dashboard now?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna click on Start a New Course, and so I could call it like my Avid 9 backup.
Wait a minute. Where's the Start a New Course?
Bottom right hand side, it'll have Start a New Course and View Grades. I'm even going to put Avid 9 Part A backup.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So you can decide how you want it, what you want to call it.
Yeah.
I'm leaving it as private because I want, like, this is my class and we're doing stuff, right?
Yeah.
Are we good to click Create Course?
I don't see where it says Start a New Course.
Okay, so on mine, right down here, under recent feedback, over underneath my whole like to-do list on the right-hand side.
Okay, sorry. Okay, thanks.
There it is. And then put in, title it what you want. Are you good to click create course now?
Yeah.
Alright. We're going to create it. And it'll drop you into, this is the one you just made.
Mm-hmm. Excuse me.
So is everybody at their new course here?
Yes.
Alright, so I'm going to click import existing content, which is like the top right hand side over there again. And then under content type, I'm going to click copy a Canvas course. If I wanted to upload from my export that I did, you would do the export package, but I'm just going to copy it straight from my course. Because then I can select, I want, oh man, so here's like all the classes, right? So you have the term 1, Avid 9, period 4. That's the one I'm going to do.
Cool.
I'm going to click adjust dates, and I'm going to click on remove them because I'm not teaching this until next year at least. And so, that way it doesn't keep my same dates, and I can change it when I do my things there. And you can choose all content or specific content. I hear that Katie said do not do the all content. I didn't have a problem when I did it, except for my ones that had the funky grade book that we switched away from, that we don't have anymore.
If you did specific content, though, you just have to, like, select
Yeah, so then
assignments.
you can go through. I know people that clicked that and then selected everything. I want it all. So then you're gonna click import. Are you good to do that part?
Okay, so adjust events and due dates. You said yes.
I said yes, and then I clicked on remove the dates instead of shift. Because I don't want it shifted to right now. I want it for next school year when I'm going to.
She did.
So import.
And then click import.
You're going to be able to choose your specific content over there. Or it says queued. Nope.
Oh,
It doesn't matter. That's another one too.
I hit this one.
No, but it says queued and it says
Yeah.
supported.
I want to pick
One issue.
everything.
Well, no. That's for your old one.
Oh, okay.
You still need to be able to
And
choose.
all my content. So
You have to wait until it says,
Oh, okay.
because hers doesn't. You have to wait.
So
and
Charity,
then I'll explore things.
See,
I missed what you just did.
Okay, so I clicked on next to the queued. Unless you did all content, which is what I've done all my other times, but I went and clicked on select content on the far right side,
Okay.
It says select content, so I don't know.
and I selected everything going down the list because I want to copy my entire course. I want all my information. So now it's running. You can see this little blue candy cane stripey bar. It is copying all of it right now.
And was that from the backup or just copying a course?
I copied the course. If you, under content type, you could do Canvas course export package, and that would be pulling up from the one that you just did.
Do you know where it's saved, Charity, in your desktop when you go to do that?
It's in your download folder normally.
But what does it look like? Because we tried it and it didn't work.
Mine has been, because I've done it from my Chromebook, it's saving to my drive, my
Oh,
Google.
maybe you only have so many different things because it's in your course. Does that make, I don't know.
So here, my issues are, it says I have some issues, but it's all because the grading scheme is not found. And it's like, okay, so that's fine. And then if I go to my home page, here's my, it is my course. It's everything is linked,
No,
all
but
of it
hers
is
is
done.
not the thing that you did. Hers is importing course.
I just tried that and it didn't work.
But you imported your backup. You need to import a course.
Yeah, I clicked import course, not the backup.
Yeah, I tried that. Watch. And so then I hit a Happy Canvas course.
Mhm.
and then I picked one of my classes,
Mhm.
and then I'll just do that one.
Yay! I see it.
Got it? Yay! Excellent. So now you need to do that for whichever classes you want to create a
Okay, so
backup.
it should be in there.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
still not in there.
Refresh it. Go out of it and go back into it.
Sharon, I saw your thing. The X's we're putting in are the ones that we are really sure like should
Are
get
you-
booked
are you put
into
a T1?
having
I renamed those ones
the
though.
customer needs to book them to retake that class.
I get that, but what if all of a sudden they turn in stuff?
Then I would email like Cesar and be like, hey, they don't need it. Because there's not going to be too many of those, right? That are going from like a 10% to passing.
Right. Fiona Jolman comes to mind. You know, I know she can do it, and I just got an email, and I need to respond to it. I haven't done that yet. But basically, I got an email. She wants to pass. So I'm holding out hope, you know,
Yeah, it's great.
and I'm not Xing her yet. But
So there's a couple like Zariah. She is a hard fail right now, but I'm really trying to help her turn it around. Like she can normally dig herself out. I mean, she's a senior, so it's a different. But anyway,
okay.